graham wafers.
Did you win chocolate?
Oh, I sure did. Do you like chocolate? Okay. We're gonna get I got a marshmallow coming.
You got that video?
Yeah.
You got a video of it? Let's do that again, Logan. Okay, here. Through the ball. No.
It does, doesn't it?
We need it. Wait until Mom says go, okay?
Throw it towards me, gently. Have Logan throw it towards me.
Logan. No, wait. Are you ready?
Yes.
Logan, throw the ball to Mommy.
Joey! Joey! What are you doing?
Joey? Joey?
Who wants the first one?
Mash.
You want the first one, Blake?
No, because it has left. So I just like it now.
Parker, come have a treat.
What?
Come have a treat. Hi, Dad.